There are a lot of exciting things happening at Discovery Lab. Construction is underway on a brand new facility at Gathering Place, currently scheduled to open later this year. Meanwhile, the original location at Owen Park is still open, and they have a new earth-shattering exhibit that's centered on Oklahoma. From filtering for fossils to forming folded mountains, Discovery Lab's new original exhibit explores earth science in Oklahoma in a dynamic, fun way.
Discovery Lab is excited to present Beneath Your Feet. It's an exhibit about the geology of Oklahoma. We worked with the Tulsa Geophysical Society and the Tulsa Geological Society, coming together with fresh ideas to explain the exciting world of Tulsa and Oklahoma geology.
The space features nearly a dozen hands-on, kid-friendly displays. The pieces of the puzzle explaining what's happening under Sooner soil.
It's fun, it's engaging, and it's joyful.
One of 7-year-old Kinley's favorite parts is this earthquake simulator. Here, kids of all ages recreate real earthquakes.
It's awesome.
It's also educational, as visitors learn about plate tectonics, waves, the rock cycle, and more.
Part of our hope is that children will discover an interest, a passion for earth science, and maybe pursue studies beyond the experience they have with Beneath Your Feet here at Discovery Lab.
The exhibit, made possible by generous donors, will be at the Discovery Lab through October. Then it will tour the state. The plan is to take it to classrooms in rural Oklahoma communities.
So this provides an opportunity for us to advance and extend our mission to all corners of the state, to those families who there's difficulty because of distance to visit Discovery Lab.
Discovery Lab, unearthing yet another reason why science and Oklahoma rock.
I had fun here today.
Discovery Lab is currently limiting capacity to keep everyone safe. So be sure to reserve your tickets online at discoverylab.org before you come. In Tulsa, Julie Chin, Discovering Oklahoma.